I'm going to show you guys how to properly solder a couple wires together. It could be very difficult for a beginner. So we're going to get this going. Try to do it as quick as I can for you guys. Okay, so first things first, you're going to take your wire. I've already got them stripped. A quick little trick to get the plastic off of your wire will be to hit it with a lighter. I have a torch lighter. You can hit it for like a second. I've already stripped these, but you hit it for like a couple seconds and then pull it off and the plastic will come right off. So now I'm going to connect these wires together. And a lot of people don't know this, that if you closely look at your wire, there is a pattern on 90% of wires where it has like a white line or a white line with dashes. That will tell you which one goes to which if you have them split. So anyways, I'm finding this one. And what that stands for is positive and negative, just so you guys know. Okay, so I found this one with the dashes, similar wires. I had to cut these because I'm doing an LED niche in my shower. So also I'm going to be adding shrink tube. Shrink tube is a plastic shrinkable tube. Instead of using electrical tape, it just gives it a nicer seal, especially because I'm going to be using this in a shower. And because it's going to be in a shower, we don't want it getting wet. So there we go. Got the lines, dash lines right here. Put these ones together. And you're going to twist your wires together. I hope I got this zoomed in for you guys really good, because I had to set up the camera for you just so you guys could learn this little step. Remember to place the shrink tube on before you twist your wires, because you won't be able to get on once they're twisted together. And make sure that you give them a good twist. That's the proper way of doing so. Okay, when you got your two wires together like that, I have my soldering iron here ready. I'm gonna add a little bit of flux to it. You don't have to use flux, but it makes it bond better. So if you have it, and it's only a few bucks. If you're only doing it once, I guess you don't have to go get some flux, but it's about $3 at the hardware store. Next, you got your soldering iron on. I got my solder right here, and I'm using lead-free solder. You can use leaded solder, but that's not good for using it in a shower, because this is in a shower, because it doesn't do very well when it gets wet. It can start to corrode your wires. So that's how simple that was. I got it soldered on there. And if your soldering iron is in melting your solder, a quick little tip for you guys is take some sandpaper and sand your soldering tip. Anyways, got that on there. Trying to let it dry here. Got a nice bond. And next I'm going to slide the shrink tube over the area. Like I said, I hope you guys can see this really well. I've zoomed my camera in with a tripod just for you guys. Got my shrink tube on, torch lighter. I'm sure you could use a regular lighter if you want to, but I just happen to have one of these on hand, so don't think that you have to find a torch lighter to be successful on this. I'm gonna grab the camera and just show you guys what a nice bond this is given. If I could zoom out, give me 1 second, guys. All right. Now look at that bond that I have. It's a watertight seal, pretty much, so you can't beat that. So hopefully this video helps you out and shows you guys how to solder. It's not difficult, you can do it. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up.